Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance required light on a Prius C. This video will work for 2012 to 2018 Prius Cs. This vehicle that I'm working on happens to be a 2015 Prius C. So you want to turn the ignition on, but don't start the car. That little car animation will drive by, and while that car animation is driving by, you want to press the trip button 1, 2, 3 times, and then hold it on the 3rd time. And I'm going to show you that now. So it'll start counting down from 5, and then once it counts down to 0, then it's totally reset. There you go. All right guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, there wasn't a lot to that, so go ahead and check out my other Prius C videos and hopefully they can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.